The screen type, they're both AMOLED display. Refresh rates are both 120 Hz, and pixel density, they are both 402. Likewise for resolution, they're both fully HD+. Screen size 6.55, and protection Gorilla Glass version 5. But the OnePlus have a slightly better screen. Now for performance. So the processor, you have a better Snapdragon 888 in the OnePlus processor. That's 29% better processor with a 40% better graphics. So they're both 5G running on Android 12. The battery is just slightly better in the OnePlus. For the Xiaomi, just a slightly better fast charging, but it's average. The better performance definitely go to the OnePlus 9. Now for the camera. The main camera is a 108 megapixel in the Xiaomi. UltraWide is better in the OnePlus 50 megapixel. The macro, they are slightly the same. In video recording, you have a 4K, while 8K in the OnePlus. Front selfie camera, 32 megapixel, and fully HD at 60 frames per second in the Xiaomi. The better camera go to the OnePlus. Now for the storage. Overall camera. So you have a faster 12 gig RAM. Storage, they are both same 256 gig of storage. Memory card is not supported in either of these devices. The better storage is the OnePlus, clearly. Now for design. So the UFS 3.1 in the OnePlus. Water resistance even better in the OnePlus. IP68. Earphone jack, they're not supported, but you can use your Type-C. Bluetooth, both are the same 5.2. NFC, yes, they're available, and fingerprint sensor are located in the front of the device. The better design is going to the OnePlus also, it's more durable. Now for the results. There's not a lot of difference in the prices, they're average the same. But the win goes to the OnePlus 9. It has a better screen, faster performance, better camera overall, better storage, and there's a better design. Comment below which video you want me to do next. See you in the next video, guys.